Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to apply for Facebook InStream Ads 2024 English. Open your Facebook page and go to Profile, go to Dashboard, Professional Dashboard, and scroll down and click on Monetization. It will be load and InStream Ads. Scroll down to InStream Ads, click on Stream Ads. Include ads in your original public video to start monetization. Make money with ads. Earn money for videos, keep content front and center, stay in control. Eligibility criteria to complete 5 steps. You reside in eligible country. You follow Facebook content monetization policy. Your profile has at least 5,000 followers. Video view at least 60 minutes that last 60 days. You shared at least eligible video in last 30 days that were either on demand leave or previously leave. Read carefully eligibility criteria for apply. If you recently met all criteria, please allow up to 2 days to get access. This is how to apply for Facebook InStream Ads 2024 English. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.